So today, some folks from a company here in Gates County, North Carolina called Sawtooth Tree Service is going to come out. They're going to take the top out of that tree right there and knock out a bunch of those wisteria vines. Then they're going to take this next tree over and then the next tree over and grind the stumps. The very end tree will stay. All right, this is what we look like before. Pretty good swing of it all. Try to get a couple videos throughout the day while they're bringing this stuff down, and then I'll get a finished up video, see how it all looks. These guys did some work for me last year. They were awesome. Making some progress. Definitely making some progress. You see what she looks like at the end of the day. He's only got one guy helping today, so might end up having to come back tomorrow.
Look at all those branches from that wisteria vine.
Well, there's the finished product. Most all the wisteria vines gone, 2 pine trees down, stumps ground. Everything looking sweet. Another great job by Sawtooth Tree Services. Thanks, Randy. And I will be giving you a call the next time I need any tree work done.